care and maintenance. Cleaning the hook area. Clean the hook area frequently. Turn the power switch on. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. Raise the foot with the foot lifter. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Press the needle plate release key and the needle plate will automatically snap off. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the bobbin. Remove the bobbin holder by pulling its front part upward. Clean inside the bobbin holder and the bobbin holder holes with a lint brush. Apply a few drops of the bobbin holder cleaner to a soft cloth. Wipe the bobbin holder both inside and outside with a soft cloth. Clean the feed dogs, thread cutter device, sensor area and hook race with a lint brush. Wipe the inside of the hook race with the cloth. Attach the bobbin holder in the hook race, making sure the knob fits next to the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Otherwise, it may cause a machine malfunction and/or damage to the bobbin holder. Attach the needle plate. Insert the plug into the power outlet. Turn the power switch on and make sure a warning message does not appear. Attach the needle and presser foot. Insert the bobbin. Cleaning the inside of the thread guide. Clean the inside of the thread guide plate under the top cover at least once a month. Remove the thread guide plate by pulling it up. Clean the area around and under the pre-tension leaf with a lint brush. Hold the tip of the pre-tension leaf softly and brush out the dust. Push the thread guide plate down to snap it in place. Wipe the machine body with a soft cloth. Never use benzene or other chemical solvents for cleaning the machine body.